Lagos High Court has dismissed the no-case submission filed by the suspended Assistant Superintendent of Police, Drambi Vandi. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. This are the top 10 stories. At number 1, the Lagos High Court sitting at the Tafawa Balewa Square has dismissed the no-case submission filed by the suspended Assistant Superintendent of Police, Drambi Vandi, who allegedly killed a Lagos-based lawyer, Omobolanle Rahim, on December 25, 2022. Justice Ibironke Harrison on Monday ordered the defendants to open his defense as a prima facie has been made against him. In his application on the no-case submission, Vandi asked the court to dismiss the suit and discharge him, claiming that he had no case to answer. At number 2, a high court in Ifo, Ogun State has granted singer Habeeb Okikiola, popularly known as Portable, bail. Recall that Portable was arrested on Friday, March 31, 2023, after his engagement with police officers at his bar. The artist was subsequently arraigned in court on Monday. It was gathered that Portable was granted bail in the sum of 300,000 naira to provide 2 sureties with landed properties within the court vicinity. The case was adjourned till April 26th for the commencement of trial. At number 3, the Kano State government has imposed a 24-hour curfew on Sabon Garin, Nasarawa, Tikaina area of Chikun local government area of the state with immediate effect. According to the Police Commissioner for Internal Security and Home Affairs in the state, Samuel Arunwan, the decision was reached following a breakdown of law and order which led to the killing of 2 citizens in an incident of urban gang violence. At number 4, a Plateau High Court on Monday, presided over by Justice M.L. Musa, has reinstated Honourable Nuhu Abok as Speaker of the Assembly. Recalling, Abok was impeached by the Assembly in October 2021. However, in its judgment, the court upheld the submissions of the complaints that the impeachment was illegal and therefore null and void. At number 5 on Monday, members of the opposition party, People's Democratic Party, staged a protest at the headquarters of the Independent National Electoral Commission's office in Port Harcourt, the state's capital. Police and members of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps were among the security personnel that were present to contain the crowd that was demanding that political parties jointly check the election materials. The demonstration shut down vehicle traffic from the Waterlines area to the GRA area of Abia Road in the capital. At number 6, the Nigerian media on Monday unveiled the 9-member board of the National Media Complaints Commission, otherwise known as the National Ombudsman. A statement by the President's Newspaper Proprietors Association of Nigeria, Kabiru Yusuf, described the development as a major step by the industry to strengthen public confidence in the media. The statement noted that the commission will serve as an independent forum for resolving complaints about the press quickly, fairly and free of charge, maintain high standards of Nigerian journalism and journalistic ethics, and defend freedom of the press and the rights of the people to know. At number 7, Dr. Alex Otti, the governor-elect of Abia State, on Monday debunked allegations stating that he ordered the state's bank accounts to be frozen. He characterized the reports as fabrications intended to harm his reputation in the eyes of the Abia populace. Otti blamed the reports on Abia State government officials while speaking through its special advisor on media and publicity, Ferdinand Ekoma. He also insisted that he was unaware of the individuals responsible for obtaining the court order freezing the bank account. At number 8 on Monday, the 3rd Division of the Nigerian Army, Rukuba, near Jos, began its 2023 annual range firing exercise at its small arms range in Miango, Basa local government area of Plateau. Spokesperson for the division, Ishaku Takwa, stated on Monday that the exercise will end on April 20th. The Army spokesperson further advised the general public on the sighting mass movements of troops and hearing gunshots. At number 9, according to reports, Malaysia's lower house on Monday approved legal reforms to abolish the mandatory death penalty for some offences. The amendments would be applicable to 34 offences currently punishable by death. This also includes murder and drug trafficking, while 11 of them carry it as a mandatory punishment. Since 2012, the country has had a moratorium on executions, but courts have continued to send inmates to death row. Finally, at number 10, the British Passport Office workers began a 5-week strike in the increasingly civil service dispute over jobs, pay, pensions and conditions. Public and Commercial Services General Secretary Mark Sewotka said on Monday that over 1,000 members of the Public and Commercial Services Union at 8 sites walked out in an escalation of the long-running row. The union said those taking action will be supported by a strike fund. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.